Welcome everybody to Empty Cameras, my name is Scott and welcome to the third episode of Subnautica. Last episode we just went exploring, yeah, and I noticed that the sound at that time was a little bit too weak, so I cranked it up a little bit. It's between the sound velocities. Velocity? What? Never mind. I fixed it, I guess. So, this episode, we really need to find some lead, or we're going to die a horrible radiated death. So, let's just swim around, search for some limestone, and we really need copper, because I would like to have a seaglide. I think that would be really nice for transportation, because swimming is just too slow. Alright, we got some limestone, copper, alright, straight away, but we need some more, and we've got lead. Alright, so we do have the radiation suit now, but now we still need some copper. So let's continue searching, because I don't think we're done yet. This is that place I excavated last time. Oh, I like this game. Hey, new kind of fish. Didn't notice you before. Boomerang, come on. I want to eat you. Get out of my fucking hand!
New creature discovered.
Aggressive muncher. Shit. Sound of myself is still on. Sorry for the turn that down. It's my alarm. Where are you, limestone? Limestone! Copper! Just what I needed, but I have a funny feeling it is not enough. So I'm just going to try find 2 or 3 copper more. Wait, that's the sound of a bomberfish, right? Where is he? God damn it, I got backstabbed. Stupid fish. What? They're coming out of those weird plants. No! That one exploded too. Box.
Oxygen.
I'm working on it, Mom. Look nice. You're on such a leech, right? The evolved version. Yeah. That leech was such a bitch. God damn it! Wait, didn't I already scan you? Yeah, I did. Get out of my way, stop. Sandstone. Ah, silver. I don't need it, but I want it. Alright, so give me 1 copper, please. Damn it. Alright, so I'm not going to waste much more time trying to gather resources. Seriously.
Oxygen.
God damn it. Finally found copper. Inventory full. What am I going to drop? Let's drop titanium. I've got plenty of titanium, so let's just drop titanium. Alright, I'm coming for you. Nice. So let's go over there and build ourselves some new gear. Papa. Are there even birds on this planet? Nice. Alright, let's get inside my escape pod. Oh, sorry guys. Personal compass. Alright. Fiber mesh times 2, lead times 2. Wait. Got it in here, right? So let's put away some titanium. I don't need it right now. 1 time lead, 2 times fiber mesh. Oh wait, I need lubricant. This shit. Do we need this too? No, Alright. Radiation suit. Oh, that's a little bit glitched out. So. Nice! I have a nice suit, nice gloves, nice helmet. I look really fancy right now. Don't know how I look, but I think. Wait. Oh, the percentage of how long it will take to make a new one. Alright, so, water. Oh, so the bladderfish are used to make water. So let's make approximately 6 water. 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I don't have 6. Let's use everything first.
Local radiation readings exhibit characteristics consistent with total degradation of the Aurora's dark matter drive core. A quantum detonation will occur with a probability of 85.5%. Advise observing a 1 kilometer safety range. The fabricator cooks small organisms.
I already knew that.
Of the skeletal structure, bodily fluids, and
nice.
Internal organs,
I
thus
didn't know
rendering
that
them
it
safe for human
disposed of the fluids and the skeletons. But I need to eat it. I have a radiation suit right now, so I'm not going to die this time. Alright, so how do I make this thing? Battery and copper wire. I recall that I needed these mushrooms for batteries. Electronics, battery, yes. What's it? Copper wire, 2 times copper ore. So I've got plenty of copper, so I will make it. Deployables, seaglide. Let's just build it. I have a seaglide. Alright, nice. So let's super ore. Take some of the titanium because you could make titanium bars, right? Let's just make a titanium ingot. It's an ingot. Because then I have some space. And then I can just put in some shit. Alright, so I don't need all the titanium. Side of there, I have this, side of there, with this, this. Let's just throw away this mushroom. Just run. Oh, damn it. Come on! Thank you! Why wouldn't you let me open it? Thank you. Okay, so let's take a medical kit. Let's dispose of this. Goodbye. And let's read, because we didn't read a lot. So what do we have? Bleach. We can make bleach. Apparently, don't know what to do with bleach. Synthetic fibers. We can make so much. We don't know where for. So, alright, really nice. I don't really care. So, photo gallery. Voice log. Well, I heard every single one of these, so just going to prevent. Yes, it's not yellow anymore. Alright, data bank. Data downloads. Degassi's. Wasn't this the Aurora? Gas crew manifest Paul Torgal. Auxiliary Search and Rescue Mission Paul Torgal. Position Chief of Torgal Corp, Captain of the Degassi. Status lost in space near planet 4546b. Age at time of disappearance 79. Paul Torgal and his crew fell out of contact with Mongolian authorities close to a decade ago. The Torgals were a resourceful and powerful clan, and the ship was well equipped, so the survival was considered likely. However, multiple vessels passing through the systems have since attempted to trace the ship to no effect. It is hoped the Aurora Superior Scanning Suite, I don't know how to pronounce it, can do better. Made majority shareholder in Torgal Corp by his mother upon her retirement, interaction with Altera limited to infrequent chartered munitions deliveries. Beneficiary of life extension technologies. Accompanied by his only child, Bart Toggle, 19, had to be Toggle Corporation. A missionary case reports Toggle often traveled with a skeleton crew and was known for making rash but profitable decisions. Inadequate systems maintenance or staying from its planned route may account for the ship's disappearance. So, another ship disappeared here, where the Aurora has disappeared too, because I found this thing in that wreckage from the Aurora. So the Aurora knew about the Degasi, and Degasi probably is here. So if this Degasi is destroyed, why did the Aurora get destroyed too? Alright, alien life force, purple brain coral, a pendulum growing colony of microscopic organisms. This coral species has adapted to filter carbon dioxide from the environment, using carbon to build the canally and expelling the oxygen from specialized exhaust funnels. Assessment exploitable. Alright, fauna, carnivores, stalker. Alright, threat level medium. Nice picture. But why are they white? I thought they were green. Never mind. A streamlined predator with developed intelligence and strength encountered in the kelp forest in wait of prey, leaving the safety of the shallows. One head. Alright, apparently his beak is his head. An elongated snout and unnaturally sharp teeth can deliver huge biting pressure to larger attackers, but also can be used to reach small herbivores seeking refuge amongst rocks. Rutinal layering on the eyeball suggests adaptation for nighttime hunting, right? 2 size fins. Dorsal ridges. These ridges can be moved independently to deliver superior maneuverability. 3 pelvic fins. 3 pelvic fins. Long and powerful, the stalker has evolved to hunt even the fastest of prey. Neural pathways indicate innate ability for reward-based learning. Oh! So can I train them? Attract to metal deposits, no explanation available at this time. Prey, peepers and other small herbivores. Assessment to tame or avoid. Further research required. So, small herbivores and peepers. Maybe I can train them with those. That would be really nice. Alright, the shut up. Oh, it looks weird when it's standing. A common scavenger at the base of the food chain. Mouthpart, small enough to be of no threat to even small organisms. This creature is clearly adapted to feed on the waste products of ecosystems around it. 3 mandibles, used to orient themselves when drifting and to filter through their detritus on cave floors. I don't know. 3 legs. High strength muscles can propel the life form great distances through the water, as well as ambulating them across the seafloor. Assessment harmless. Presence may indicate nearby cave systems. Alright, so when he's nearby, cave systems are nearby. That's nice to know. Flora, creepvine. A kelp species concentrated in large forests in shallow sandy waters. Loose roots anchor the plants to the seafloor, from where it grows steadily toward the surface in pursuit of sunlight. The stem is fibrous and rich in iron, making it both viable foodstuff and base material for fabrication of textiles. That's why I need to use it so much. Assessment: vital alien research, edible, medicinal, construction applications. Alright. Planetary geology. Limestone outcrops. These unusual geological structures often form around titanium and copper deposits and are distinct of this planet. Closer analysis reveals that the stone around the metal has been hardened against erosion, but the mechanism remains unknown. Assessment: titanium and copper source. Alright, so limestone for titanium and copper, but I found lead. That's weird. Maybe that's rare. Sandstone outcrops. These common porous outcrops seems to form around small amounts of precise materials, or otherwise these metals are parts of sedimentary buildup over time. Sediment, silver and gold source. Alright. So the last thing to read is vehicle seaglide. Seaglide is a personal transportation device designed for use in oceanic environments. The seaglide, anything that travels faster than water, is probably trying to eat you. What? Alright, capable of speeds up to 63 kilometers per hour in standing water. Displays basic topographical data for aid in charting cave systems. That's nice. Replaceable battery, keep fingers clear of propeller. No shit. Otherwise I'll lose them. So, I don't have much time left, but let's just test this bad boy because he's brand new. Bam, bam, bam. Rearrange everything. Oh wait. Hey, where did my knife go? Oh, can I switch the light up? Yeah, I can. Alright. Otherwise, maybe consume power. I lost my knife. I can make one because I thought it was silicone, rubber, and titanium, but I just lost it. Just like that peeper. It's a weird world. Alright, so just going to make a little trip. This is so much faster. I like this. Nice. Alright, so I'm flying through these woods. Not sure why. It's pretty fun actually. So I see glide already have you. Maybe I can find something if I...
Emergency. Seismic readings suggest a quantum detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive core.
I want to
The
see.
central dark matter reactor will reach a supercritical state in T-minus 10,
I need to
9,
go back to my life pod.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Oh
3,
shit.
2.
The smoke. Holy fuck. Oh shit, look at that pod over there. Radiation. Aha, I have a radiation shield. I am safe, you bastard. Alright. So, it's broken now. It's destroyed. I like that animation though, the explosion, the fire, really nicely done. Wow. So the Aurora just exploded, and that means we will not be able to ever get back home. Because, yeah, that's not replayable anymore. With all the titanium in the world. Well, probably, but it would take years. Maybe my nice fabricator will help. Alright, so let's just get inside my escape pod. Oh yeah, that's true. I still have this thing. Just going to listen to this.
Playing message. This is an automated bounce back from the Aurora mining vessel. Your distress signal has been received. An emergency relief team will be dispatched to your location.
Nice.
The estimated arrival time, 9 hours.
Alright, so I can wait some years and then I'll finally be... itch. Fucking itch. And then I'll be saved, so I'm not alone. Nice. I'm going to be saved in a million years. And yeah, what would be that? I think I would be dead by that time. But yeah, that was it for this episode, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Leave in the comments down below if you have any improvements for my English, or ideas, or suggestions for games, or what to do in Subnautica. I'm open to listen. So hope you guys liked it. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.